Tayo. Tayo. Okay. Tayo. 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 Tayo.
Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, we're at the front of the house harvesting red potatoes that I planted at the beginning of the year. I want to say sometime in January or maybe February. These were just red potatoes that had gone bad in the pantry, and I wanted to see what would happen. I had a free pot, and so I put them in the pot, and this is what we got. I hope you enjoy. I also want to mention that these potatoes were harvested on June 15th, so 5 days before the silent garden tour video that I recently posted.